Saturday and Sunday. But it's all over now and it sure isn't Monday. Oh, I got to the job site at 9:15, and some